Alright YouTube, it's your boy Mark. Today's video, we're going to be installing my boy Kevin's SPARCO racing seat, bucket seat, inside his 350Z vert. He ordered the seat probably about 2 weeks ago. Just finally got the seat bracket in. Maybe this video can help some of you guys out there who have a 350Z. I mean, what I do is when I buy something, I always look it up anyway. So, and whatever is, I'm going to list the link of the seat in the description, and I'm going to link the seat bracket in the description. All right, y'all. So we here at fucking my man's Kev job. Got the 300ZX. Y'all saw this on the channel a few times. 350Z vert. He got the SPARCO seat. Hold on, gotta cop the thumbnail. He had to take it out the pack. He don't know how to act.
Hell yeah, look at that shit.
They gonna be mad if a dog pissed in that seat.
That's why I had the bag on for rain too.
They're gonna be mad. So he got this SPARCO seat. He got the I was able to see the great Q. Of course, as soon as I start recording, somebody is calling me. Damn, that John got the pad in the middle right there.
Yeah, that's
What this man want?
who's that, Tyrese?
Yeah. Alright, so before we was interrupted by Tyree, but listen, we got the SPARCO seat right here. Come in. A little bit of GoPro action. SPARCO. This joint is real. No fake stuff. Kev said, should I get NRG, bro? Should I get NRG? I'm like, bro, just get SPARCO, bro. It's gonna look way better in the vert. Nah, bro, SPARCO just a name, bro. 5 minutes later, bro, I bought the SPARCO. I bought the SPARCO one.
It is just a name.
Yeah, now we gotta do something about these ESRs right there. So now, at least they're not XXRs.
Every seat that I had, these shit were fucked.
With them bolts?
Yeah, and I just pulled this one out. And I don't know if it's supposed to be like that.
That's fine. That's the way how it's supposed to be. Yeah, he just installed a quick release too. He put a quick release steering wheel. Kev said he trying to be on the track next year.
Next year, summer.
Oh yeah, this summer. I forgot we in 2022. That's crazy. I don't like the display keep going out. I'm used to my G7X. You know, 10.5s all around, plus 22. You know, that's that trash offset. So now, with spacers.
It's funny because when I see videos of people doing
Bro, you gonna get a...
And they don't back in the car after, people in the comments just be getting mad.
Damn, suede steering wheel, that's what this joint feel like?
Yeah, shit is ass though. I don't know how I feel about it. Like, I feel like...
It's cold as hell. It got grit though.
Like, I didn't want to touch it because of that. Now I gotta take out the...
He said, I really don't want to touch it, but it's a steering wheel. It's definitely heavier than Minority though, I feel like. I don't know. It looks smaller though. I think mine. Yeah, it is smaller. Cause Minority.
Yours 360.
Yeah, 360. I got a 360. That's a 350, right? Yeah. I gotta get a 330. I don't need to, but eventually I'm gonna get one. I wonder why all Z seats do that. When a leather fade, it turns orange. You gonna get a SPARCO one for your girl?
Hell no.
He said, hell no.
Yeah.
Damn, you scratched the shit out of this. What you hit? What, you put the seat in here?
Nah, that was like that.
Bro, no, that's fresh, nigga.
I should be like that. Hold this shit like that so I can...
Clean it right from the gate. It don't matter how much you put on the adhesion promoter you want on there.
Word.
You can even put on too much adhesion promoter and it'll do that same thing. It's plastic's definitely not paint friendly.
That was too easy. I don't know why.
Dang, that's an unpaid ticket? Say, no, that's an insurance card.
What the fuck is in here?
I think, no, that's a receipt.
Sprint. Yeah.
Imagine you would have took that seat out, you see a big ass hole.
Yo, Rust.
Yo, is that supposed to be like that? Like, I was wondering why it won't get warm on the floor.
Facts.
It's like Kyle shit. He like the back seat always get hot. Then when we put on the lift and the exhaust is cut off right towards the seat.
In what?
In the Infinity.
Oh, in the Infinity, yeah.
Oh, that's what my sister always used to go mad about the seat getting hot.
Yo, we could clean my car. I can clean my car. I need to get that salt off that shit. Before I
The
be.
other seat at? You got one?
Nah.
What kind of shit is this? How you gonna pick up bitches and have them sit in the old ass leather while you sitting in the SPARCO? You better flop that around.
It's because my mom's sitting in the car a lot, so that's kind of hard for her. Plus, I can afford the other one.
Yeah. So he gonna go with the mom. He gonna go with the mom, John. He said the other reason why I can't get it is because my mom can't get in it.
With clips.
So we going with the Buddy Club, and this is SPARCO. It's not gonna work because it's Buddy Club. So now we gonna see if Kevin did his information right. This man always sitting there on the internet thinking he know everything. So if these brackets don't line up right, we gotta modify some shit. It's his fault. Listen, I'm the cameraman though. I'm the cameraman though, so.
Always negative. As soon as I saw, I hit her up.
He raised it another one so he can get more, make the seat lean back more. So it's like you recline more. Go ahead, tighten up the brackets. Yo, you got it on backwards. It's like, nah. Oh yeah, that joint tight. That joint tight.
I'm gonna scratch it, I don't care.
Whose sockets, wrenches are those? I know they're not yours.
Kyle.
Yeah, I'm about to say, I know they ain't yours.
Cut that part right there.
Them joints out your pay grade. It's like, nah.
I gotta tighten that one, but I can't get to it. Oh, I
Yo, your exhaust about to take me out. Dumbass exhaust. 30 minutes later, seat's finally in. This man, he took off the seat off. He took the brackets off and everything.
What, the car got
Yeah, he over there zapping everything.
Long extension.
He took the seat off the brackets, or the brackets off the seat, however you want to say it. He put the brackets in first because for some reason it wasn't lining up right. So he mounted the brackets first, and then he put the seat inside. Well, he mounted the bracket and put all the bolts in first. Make sure you put all the mounting bolts first. So then we dropped the seat on top and just put the bolts in there. So now he's taking a long extension and about to zap that. Long extension for the long 13 back there. Man, too. Bro, the seat not going nowhere, bro.
If the bolt didn't break, till it's not, it's because it's not tying enough.
Oh, yeah?
Remember that.
Sound like you're trying to lose a seat bolt, huh? Oh yeah, you wildin'. Nigga gonna break the seat.
Now I gotta fit on that side.
Nah, he hoping that joint's super tight because he gonna get in there, that joint gonna start flexing. He gonna be like, hold up. Hold up. Why this joint still moving? Why are you about to try to get a long fucking socket in that tiny ass space?
If you know me, you know what I do about. What's that, 13? He's about to go to the drain.
This man took off the little bar at the bottom. He yanked that shit out that joint, banged his elbow on a quick release or something. Now this man bleeding. Tough. The other way to die. It's like, nah, but finish up, man. Finish up. It's 6:30, bro. I got here at 4:30. Come on.
I mean, it'd be nice if you would help people, you know.
I'm the cameraman, bro.
See when the cameraman, so hold on. Let me put the camera right here.
Nah. See, I don't got no tripod for this, so I can't sit this down nowhere. Damn, I told you, bro. They sold you fake sliders. That joint probably slid all the way back. Imagine only slide forward. Sit in it, matter of fact. Sit in it and slide it. I forgot all about that shit.
Perfect thing.
You're supposed to sit in that joint and slide that joint.
I mean, it's not bad. I really don't have to slide it.
Yeah, he know he like that nardy. He know
I really don't gotta slide it.
There you go.
Oh, there you go.
You gotta have force with it.
Yeah, that's too hard. There you go. That's the one.
That's the spot right there.
Yeah.
Hey, get your steering wheel.
We really got the 2 wheels. That's pretty good shit. That's a flex.
That's literally how it be. Literally just throw the screw on right on the floor.
One day I'm gonna clean the car and be like, oh, there you go. I got it.
Yeah, right.
She's still here. I'm about to put this shit back in so you can't lick. Watch the door not close.
Door shut. It don't hit or nothing. Yeah, imagine if I had I knew how to do B-roll. Just start playing the music and do the cinematics. Hit it with the.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We stillin' at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot still tryna flip it out the stove. Rockin' fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, it was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour, I might crash cause the good die young. Yeah, the good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone.
Alright, you guys, so this is the end of the video right here. Here's the last shot of it. Looks super good inside the car. Got the seatbelt routing through there. Nice. Super sturdy. Not really sturdy. Don't look good. If you guys like these type of videos, go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe with your friends. If this taught you anything, subscribe. Say nah. But yeah, we got more vlogs coming on the way. My car, I got parts coming for. Yeah, I'm about to do a clutch job on here. Most likely on this lift right here because it's cold as hell and I don't feel like doing this, you know, in the cold, in the winter. My clutch is not going out, but as you guys can see, clutch fluid is extremely low at the bottom and it's black. So yeah, I'm gonna need a new clutch master cylinder. I mean clutch slate cylinder and all that stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna do that just because I already have a new clutch and new flywheel. So engine bay dirty, oh my god, it is what it is. But shout out to the people who made it to the end of this video. If you made it to the end of this video, comment G37. So ain't nobody gonna comment, but I'm out, y'all.
Yeah, I'm coming back home, write my name in the stone.